Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Audrey, the travel mama. I did a small Hoya house back a month ago, so today I'm going to show you guys how the trees are doing after a month staying with me. So here's my Hoya Finlaysonii. As you can see, I put this one in like a bee after I had a pretty good result with the other three trouble Hoya plant. And I received this one, it looks really pale yellowish. It looks very unhealthy in a way, and you guys also mentioned about that. So I kind of keep an eye on this one. I haven't seen much roots yet. There's a little bit of roots right here, but I don't know if you guys can see it. But look at the leaf, it's actually turning green back. And there's some new leaves growing from the tip. It actually looks much better compared to when I first received it, color-wise. And I even can see the leaves, it just looks really healthy. So I think I love this environment. I'm just keep this one in semi-hydro from now on to see how this one actually growing long-term wise. So here's my Hoya Australis Lisa Variegated. As you can see, it's already started growing. I actually put this one in soil, and because I feel like it doesn't really need any rescue in a way, and it just make it easy for me, just everything in soil. So there's no moving when I try to do something with it. But this one is already started to growing taller and wrapped around, and then the new leaves is really pretty. Look at that. It's the darker reddish color. It's just such a pretty Hoya. So it's happy right now in the soil, and I'm really happy with this one. So here is my Hoya Multiglora shooting star. I also put this one in soil, and it looks really healthy. And there's something growing actually right here, which is weird. I thought it was a new leaves, but it looks actually like petuncles. I wasn't expecting this one to flower, so I don't think this petuncle gonna last longer either. But besides that, there's really nothing change on this one. But we're gonna see. I'll let you guys know if this petuncle really flower, which I doubt it. So this is my update on my small Hoya house. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and you all have a fabulous day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.